Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to add conditional questions in Google Forms. Conditional questions means that based on someone's answer, they'll be directed to a specific next question or section. Here's how to do it. First, open your Google form and add a question. Make sure it's multiple choice or drop down. Add your answer options like yes, no, and other. Next, create sections by clicking the Add Section button on the right. Go back to your first question, click the three dots, and choose Go to Section based on answer. Now, link each answer to the question you want. For example, yes, submit form, no, section 2, other, section 3. Add questions inside those sections. Then set each section to submit form when it's finished. Finally, click Preview at the top to test how it works. Depending on the choice, user will only see the relevant questions. And that's it. That's how you add conditional questions in Google Forms. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.